Imagine a world where the rules of classical physics no longer apply and the behavior of matter and energy becomes increasingly unpredictable. Welcome to the realm of quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. At its core, quantum mechanics is a theory that describes the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales, where the familiar laws of classical physics no longer hold. In this strange and fascinating world, particles can exist in multiple places at once, and the act of observing them can change their behavior. It is a realm where the principles of causality and determinism are turned on their head, and the very fabric of reality is revealed to be far more complex and mysterious than we ever could have imagined.
The birth of quantum mechanics.
The story of quantum mechanics begins in the early century when physicists such as Max Planck, Albert Einstein, and Niels Bohr were struggling to understand the behavior of light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Planck's discovery of the quantum hypothesis, which proposed that energy is quantized rather than continuous, marked the beginning of a new era in physics. Einstein's famous equation, Agas-Bacadin, which showed that mass and energy are equivalent, further solidified the connection between of particles at the atomic and subatomic level. The principles of quantum mechanics. So, what are the key principles of quantum mechanics? At its heart, the theory is based on a set of mathematical equations known as the Schrödinger equation, which describe the behavior of particles in terms of wave functions and probability amplitudes. According to the principles of quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, known as superposition, and can be connected in a way that allows them to instantaneamente. One of the most famous experiments in quantum mechanics is the double-slit experiment, which demonstrates the principles of wave-particle duality and the uncertainty principle.
In this experiment, particles are passed through two parallel slits, creating an interference pattern on a screen behind the slits.
However, when observed individually, the particles behave like particles, not waves, illustrating the strange and counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics in action. Quantum mechanics has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the universe and has led to numerous breakthroughs in fields science, electronics, and medicine. For example, the development of transistors, which rely on the principles of quantum mechanics to control the flow of electrical current, has revolutionized the electronics, the elements annihilus ray. Similarly, the use of quantum computing, which harnesses the power of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at speeds previously unimaginable, has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate modeling to disease diagnosis.
The future of quantum mechanics.
As we continue to explore the mysteries of quantum mechanics, we are constantly reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and user. From the intricate dance of particles in the quantum realm to the vast expanse of the cosmos, quantum mechanics has opened our eyes to a world of wonder and discovery. As we push the boundaries of human knowledge, we are reminded that the secrets of quantum mechanics are still waiting to be unlocked, and that the journey ahead will be filled with excitement, challenge, and discovery. In conclusion, Quantum mechanics is a theory that has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. Its principles, which describe the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales, have far reaching implications for our understanding of reality and have led to numerous breakthroughs in field science and medicines. As we continue to explore the mysteries of quantum mechanics, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe, and the journey ahead will be excitement, challenge, and discovery.